Hi, folks. Kevin here. That's for you, Bart. And this is for you, Bart. My good buddy Bart gave me a Gurka Genghis Kahn limited edition cigar this weekend. So we're going to use it for the cigar and whiskey talk tonight. I apologize, that's all I've been doing lately, but I've got one day at home this week before I have to go back for another class. And last week was a 4-day class, so that wrapped me up for 5 days. This week's a 5-day class, which wraps me up for 6. We'll actually cut the end of the cigar today. Probably let's see if we got a lighter. Look at that. Ooh, ah. Ooh, ah. Been watching this stuff with this sub. The comments that folks are making is just a nail in the coffin of convincing me that society is doomed. Doomed. Where's my glass? Toxic masculinity today. I'm not going to talk about the submarine thing. I'm just 100% convinced that society is doomed. And the comments I'm seeing on this submarine incident convinces me that I'm right. I don't bend that way no more. I just got to find a way to never go out in public again and never see the internet again or news or anything like that. People are crazy. People are nuts. Got an email from a political candidate today who wanted me to give him a donation and offered me a rare, one time only, 1,100% match. If you can afford to match my $25 or whatever the heck you're asking for by 1,100%, you don't need my $25. Just saying. Had to go out in public several times today. Yeah, society is doomed. I had a lady call me from a credit card company a couple of days ago. That was one of the reasons I had to go out in public today. She called me last week to offer to drop some finance charges or something along those lines if I made a payment over the phone right then. And I said, well, no, I'd rather not do that. I'll just go ahead and pay when the bill comes in. And she goes, well, you should have got a bill. I said, well, I don't have a bill. And she goes, let me confirm your mailing address. I said, you can, but it's exactly the same mailing address that I got the bill last month from. So I'm fairly certain you know what it is. And she goes, can you confirm your address for me? I said, just tell me what you got in your records. So she read it out to me. It was correct. I said, that's correct. And she wanted to confirm my email address. I said, it's the one in the records, the one I get my confirmations and all that stuff. It's the same one. Had her confirm that because she goes, well, you have to confirm it for me. I said, no, you just tell me what you got in your records and I'll tell you if it's right or wrong. She finally did that. Then She wanted to confirm my phone number. I said, "You've got my phone number, obviously." She goes, "What?" I said, "The phone number you just called me on. Confirm that." And she goes, "Well, I just need you to confirm it." I said, "It's confirmed. The one you just called me on and the one I'm talking to you on is confirmed." Then, like I said, she offered to drop finance charges if I would go ahead and pay over the phone. But she wouldn't take my debit card. She wanted my routing number and account number for my checking account. I said, "No, if I can't pay with my debit card over the phone, I'm not gonna do that either." And she goes, "Why?" I said, "Well, number one, I figure this is a legitimate call since you actually told me the information that I told you I wasn't going to tell you. You could tell me what you had, and I'd tell you yes or no. I figure it's legit. But the caller ID is blank, so I don't know who you are when you're calling me. You're lucky I answered it all. And now you're telling me that I could go online and pay this with a debit card on the website, which, by the way, never works for this particular company. Or I can go to the store and make a payment at the store. It's a home improvement chains card. So I'm telling you, let me get this right. If I drive 35 miles to the nearest one of your stores, I can pay with my debit card. If I go on your website, I can pay with my debit card. But you have to have my bank routing number and account number to do it, which is the account that the debit card is for. She goes, "Yes, we can't do that over the phone." I said, "Well, I'll just go into the store." This is last week. "I'll just go into the store Monday when I get back from off the road." And it's apparently common because I told the lady at the store this morning what went on. And she goes, "Yeah, that's pretty common." I said, "All right, that's all I need to know." This is why I never carry a balance on this card. Dogs are raising heck out there. Woo! Yeah, it's just little things like that that convince me that society has gone awry. It's not really I need convinced. It's just one of those, these are all little confirmations. I had to stop and get a new window air conditioner today because the one that I've got in here just didn't put out enough cold air. And I'm standing, of course, looking at an air conditioner, comparing a couple. And this guy rolls his cart up right next to me, damn near touching me, to look at stuff 5 feet back down the aisle because he pushed the cart up there and then walked away. I was really tempted to put my stuff in his car, but I didn't. There was no reason for that. It just people, humans. I'll attach a little footage from the class this weekend. If y'all have never been to one of our ropes course over at the school, you really need to go. I'll attach some of the tower footage for you so you can see what went on with that. It won't be anything in detail. But I'll attach a little of that. Bart Caudill Outdoors. Go over to his channel, check him out. Bart Caudill Outdoors. Bart at Bart Caudill Outdoors gave me the cigar. This is a Genghis Kahn by Gurka. Good cigar. I would do it again, except for the limited editions. I don't know when I'll be able to get them again. And Toxic Masculinity. You guys will see me drink this a lot, so yeah, I'd do it again. Stay tuned and enjoy 3 or 4 minutes of the tower going up. And I can't promise you there's not going to be some cussing or something, because I'm not gonna tone down what was the audio that came with that. Yep, this is my society is doomed confirmation week. I'm glad I don't have much time to be out in public this week. I'll be honest with you. Anyhow, see y'all in the woods.
stop for just a moment? This is unnecessary, and normally I would have a second carabiner for this as a safety. You wouldn't open your primary one. But let's go just a tiny bit further. We'll just go all the way to the nut to give me the maximum. Right there. Okay. I am, all right.
Look at that. That's the movement right there, boy.
Alright, let's watch these guys so they can get around.
Watch the thing behind you.
Oh, holy shit. That crack.
Yeah, let's pull back this way just a tiny bit. Alright.
Jeez Louise. Oh. Give her some slack again.
Now we don't need the water bottle.
Don't need the water bottle now. Got that part straightened out. Oh, yeah. What are we thinking here, guys? All right, let's see what happens here.
Give her a go.
Give her a little tension here and see what happens. All you can do.
Alright, we're fully weighted.
Alright, ready?
Alright, let's load it slow. Hold on a second. Alright, once we get it still, let's see. Let's let our tension off pop. No, let your tension off. Let's see how it's weighted.
Your line, so you got to get above the line to check that.
Oh yeah. Alright. Let's go a little heavier, a little higher. Alright, Paul.
Yep.
Just have to go down on that one.
I'd let that go right as you had it. Rock on.
Good to go.
Keep climb it and load them.
Get that
I
thing
know
up
we're
there.
good.
Alright, let's do it,
Pick it
boy.
up.
That's all over that.
What's that?
That high end will swing in easier for you. What's that? Well, yeah. It's on the ladder side, but what the hell, you know? Ladder probably would have been better off on the other side of the town.
Alright, we got a couple more inches
You got a
before
few
we
more,
hit
you
the
got
pulley.
probably another half a foot at least. So if you can get that,
One more pull.
One more.
A half pull. One half pull. Right
Oh.
there, stop.
Now if you can get that high end inside, you're good to go.
on your end.
Pull down.
Ooh, articulation.
Watch that articulation.
Pull it down one more, Eric.
Careful.
Down.
Oh shit.
There you go.
Boy,
Can I get up
Ah!
Hey,
Hey, can't climb on the tower, buddy.
that top board's blowing off the bad boy.
Yeah, don't climb on the tower.
not while that loads up there.
That's asking for disaster right there. You're almost there, honestly.
You got it, Eric.
There you go. All right, take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. You don't want that load to come down your face, so just take it easy there. All right, so now,
It's hooked.
you got it sitting on the edge. Oh. You're about to come off the end of that load, be careful. Just hold it right there for a minute. Here, I'll just tie it off right here.
Tie that off.
Here, right here.
Or
Right
just
here.
hold it. Throw that one up through there.
Eric, Dad, can you throw your rope through there and pull the other direction and pull it on in?
Without getting too far into the load.
Proceed. All right, you're gonna have to let line out to let him get that.
Right. Okay.
Now here, you guys are gonna have to. Here's the thing, man.
You're gonna have to work as a team.
You're gonna have to work as a team because this line's gonna have to give a little bit too, I think.
You fixed it.
Slide,
Fixed
slide,
it, my
slide.
ass. I think going the other direction now.
Slide.
Ooh.
Stop.
Bad to the bone. Stop, man. You got it.
That's up.
It's up there, man.
That can give just a little tiny bit of slack. Pull it on in just to balance it.
You guys did it.
You did it.
Nice job.
Good job.
Well done. It's there. Now you can probably let some tension off of that.
Take 10